Welcome back, students, to my channel Anxiety. So today we had our IELTS test, and this video is regarding the complete review of today's morning slot. That is 16th October 2021 real IELTS test complete review. So overall, the listening section was a little bit tricky. Reading was easy to moderate, and writing was also easy. Now we'll see about each and every question and heading in detail. So starting with the listening module. In part 1, the audio was a telephonic conversation between a person and a caretaker, and the person is calling for his mother. And the question category was fill up type of question, one word and or a number. Then in part 2, the question category was short MCQs from 11 to 17 and map completion from 18 to 20. It was related to the cafe, restaurant, like that. Then part 3, the question category was selection of letters, that was related to the selection of an accounting course. They got two set of selection of letter type of question. First one was to select three option, and second was to select the two options from the list. Then regarding the last part, they got MCQs from 31 to 35 and fill up type of question, that was in the form of table completion. And the monologue was related to the bees and the lightning of bees, something like that. And about the overall view of listening, we can say it is in moderate level only, but the speed was normal. Then regarding the reading module, passage 1 was history of lightning, and the question category was true false not given type of question and fill up type of question, that was one word only. This passage was really easy. Moving on to the second passage, it was a repeated passage, that was Tasmania tigers. That was the heading, and the question category was match the information type of question. That was the options want to connect with the author's name, like that. Then fill up type of question, that was in the form of summary completion. Then regarding the third passage, the heading was ratings of females. They got the question category like match the information type of question. It was like sentence completion, then selection of letter type of question, and yes, no, not given type of question. So this passage was in easy to moderate level. Comparatively with the old passage, the second passage was a little bit tricky, but it was repeated passage. It was already published in Makar books and all. Then regarding the task 1 of writing, this was the question. The table below shows the percentage of first year students who gave very good rating to the resources provided by a college for 3 courses. That was economics, law, and commerce. So it was divided into 5 different columns: pre-course information, teaching, tutors, resources, and other resources. So here you can see the model answer for this, and you can download the model answer from my Facebook page or else in the community tab. Okay. So here you can pause the video and go through the model. And regarding the task 2, it was an opinion type essay. So here you can see the question in detail. Some people think that the best way to improve road safety is to increase the minimum legal age for driving a car or motorbike. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So we already mentioned in our prediction list that you want to concentrate on transportation and road safety related questions. So here I published one model answer to you. So it's coming under to what extent type of question. So you need to mention about the agreement side and also about the disagreement side. So if you want to score well means you need to be in balance. Okay. So in the first body paragraph, you can write about the agreement side, and the second body paragraph about the disagreement side. In introduction, you need to write the thesis statement and outline sentence. So, and in conclusion, you need to restate your opinion along with the main points. That's about the structures. That's all about the review of morning slot. I will publish the reading and listening answers if I get the complete answers means in our Facebook page. And the remaining details you will get from my Facebook page. So thank you so much and stay tuned.